In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Goldfish Casino app on your phone. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, if you're using an Android device, you can go to your Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you can go to your App Store. On your store, tap on the search bar and search for Goldfish. In the search results, you'll see the Goldfish Casino app at the top. You'll find the app icon with this logo here. Tap on it. It will open up the app's page. Now over here, you can see the install button. You can simply tap on it, and now the download process has begun. It might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, here you can see the play button. You can tap on it and start this app. So that's it. That's how you can easily download the Goldfish Casino app on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.